welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. To my returning subscribers, I'm gonna say is thank you for always coming back to watch the videos on my channel. Yeah, your love keeps me going, guys. That's taking our wasting. This is called the sock. Is it the soccer way? Or a man's whatever, a manhole, whatever it's called for the toilet. Yeah, so the guy is mixing the builder, of course, is mixing sand, and this is the house that I once spoke about. To say, promise, I'm gonna show you guys. So this is gonna be the entrance. This is gonna be a bathroom, and this is gonna be a toilet. So no, let me just start from outside. Let me just start from outside. Yeah. So just a simple house for now. Yeah, for one of the helpers. So this is gonna be entrance. Yeah. So you enter from here. It's gonna be his, I don't know, living room. Whatever's gonna make it, it's up to him. Yeah. I just like the sizes of the window. It's so big enough for him to have enough fresh air. Yeah, I just like the sizes, just big enough. This is nice, and I like this place because it, it's got, so it's full of nature, the trees, the stream over there, everything just looks nice. Yeah, and the cool breeze that's here. Yeah, so this is a living room, and this is gonna be his bedroom. So there's a door here, you come through his bedroom. And what I like about this house is that it has a door. From his bedroom, he's just gonna come out and get in the bathroom. What are the bathroom is inside? Yeah, he's gonna get in the bathroom, then the toilet. So if someone else wants to use it, who's not gonna go through his bedroom, just someone else just comes to visit, they won't go through the bedroom, but they can sit here in the living room and still get to the bathroom or toilet through using the outside door. Yeah. And there's a single window for the bedroom, so they'll have to come from this side. Yeah, which is just simple. You come in from this side because it's a door. Yeah. Yeah, so I just like how it has been built. It's so nice. It's simple. It's small and simple. Yeah. So I love how it looks. The roofing has been done so good as well. So because there was nothing before, it was just bare land, so we just had to, plant maize the whole area. So but now I'm sure we're gonna cut down and plant maize to this side. It's gonna be reaching somewhere there. Yeah, so this is it. This is what has been built for now, and these are left for if you want to extend the house, between the house and the house, or make it bigger. So this is what they're left for. Otherwise, this is how it looks at the back. It is nice, isn't it? So nice. Also got a beautiful shade. You can see a tree. He'll be sitting here with his family, enjoying the peace. Yeah, so this is how it looks. And the surrounding. Yeah. Look at her there. I'm watching her walk. She's getting used to the weather here in Zambia. Yeah, guys, so this is the house we were talking about. show you. But now, the final touches are about to be done. I'm gonna show you when everything is done and cleared, and when it comes to move in, I'll let you know. So guys, we're just here at the farm shop, the guava orchard. You can see we just transplanted an ackee. Already looks good. Fingers crossed that you can just catch up. And just look at how the mulberry has grown. Wow. This mulberry is grown even taller than me. As if I never planted it. Look at the mulberries on it. Look at this. Wow. This looks nice. I'm a lover of mulberries. I love them so much. Look at this. Mulberries. So guys, this is how the farm shop area looks like. Like I said last time, when the weed in the place, remember last time it was a bush. There was so much grass we couldn't even walk through. Yeah, so but this is how it looks like. I've weeded. The only thing that is remaining is just the slush. You can see the areas there. Yeah, look at how cleaned. Yeah, so this is how clear the guava orchard is looking for now. But what has to be done is just removing this grass, removing that and this, and let it be in order. Yeah. And the only part that is remaining to clear is the outside trenches on the sides and the grass that is along the trenches. That's the only thing that is remaining to clear now, because the sides have got so much grass. They've got so much grass, as you can see, the grass. Yeah, but soon we're gonna go through and start clearing. Then I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna update you on how it's gonna look. But otherwise, this is how the guava orchard is looking for now. It is looking good. Look at my cousin there. She's always busy working hard on the farm. Yeah, trying to perfect things. She's taught me a lot. Yeah, though she's not a farm girl, but she's a type of person who likes perfection. So she's really taught me a lot. Though she's not even living here. Me who's living here has to learn from her. What's with the queue of the road there? I don't know why. That truck is causing traffic. Look at that. The red truck is causing traffic because the red truck is slow. Anyway. So now we've got into the house. I just want to show how the pomegranates have grown, guys. The pomegranates look good. Look at this. Wow. Ready soon. So good. That looks so nice. So yeah, just take a walk. Just taking a walk of the farm and checking up to see how things. Yeah, just checking up to see how things are getting on the farm. I really like how it's looking right now, because most of the places have been weeded, they've been cleared. I just like how the grass is looking for now. It looks nice. I like it. And these are the sweet subs. I love these fruits. They're so sweet. So nice. Sweet soup. This one's about to get ready anytime soon. They look similar with grafted apples. Yeah, look, they're kind of similar. Look at the sweet sops. And then the soursop. Wow, there's so plenty in the tree. Soursop. So guys, I've been receiving calls from one of them guys. Yeah, especially the Zambian people have been calling me to ask about the soursop. So the soursop have not yet started selling the seedlings. I think the seedlings will start selling by next year. Look at that one. Soursop there. Where's another one? Sorry, I saw a soursop, more than one. Yeah, the big one there. This one will be ready anytime soon. There's this one as well. Okay, it has really bears so much, and yeah, they'll be ready anytime soon. Yeah. Hello guys, say hi to my little friend here. Come here, come. Cindy, come and say hi to the people. She's so naughty. Cindy.
What is it?
This is our little puppy, our little baby. That she is so naughty. She's so playful. As expected as a puppy. Say hi to everyone. Come on, Cindy. Say hello, guys. Oh, there she runs away. That's a little baby that we have. Let's take our wasting much of your time. I'm just gonna show you around. We're back again at the mill. Here we're building a house for one of the helpers. Yeah, so I just want you guys to see how far we've gone. Yeah. So this is how it's looking, guys. Remember last time when I showed this part had so much maize on the surrounding, yeah. So but now they've harvested, they've taken the maize out. You can see that green maize there. Yeah, that maize is irrigation maize. Yeah, I'm starting with irrigation now. We're gonna be using water from the stream to water it so it can grow. Yeah, so but this is how far we've gone, and I'm gonna show you. This is gonna be the outside toilet. It really looks good, guys. I love how they have just built it. It really looks good. Just look how it is inside. It's got so much space. Got so much space, and the little window there. Yeah. So this is how far we've gone. So the board to put the frame, because I remember last time I came, whenever I came to show you guys, this toilet was not built yet. Yeah, it was not built yet. So now I'm gonna show you even the house, because last time when I showed you the house, guys, there were no frames. There were no frames last time. But look at this. We've now put the frames. You can see this is the bathroom window. This is the bedroom window. And this is the living room window here, which is big enough, quite big enough, good for to make but to enter fresh air from the living room as well. On the side, on the other side, this maze is really looking good. And this is the, what do you call it, the front door or something, whatever it is. Yeah, before you put the main door. Yeah, this is gonna be the outside thing. When you close, then you close the main door. Yeah, just to be safe. So let's enter from, since this door is locked, let's enter from the bathroom. We need to jump here because it's not yet dry. So I'm just gonna jump and get in. Yeah. So this is how it looks inside, guys. Still dirty, but it looks good. Really looks good. I love how they built the house, the grill doors, the window frames. Just have to clean all this cement, then I'm sure everything now will be done and we'll be moving in. I'm sure when the helper moves in, I'll come and show you guys how this house will be. There's so much fresh air here. It's really lovely place. And the roof is high enough as well. You can see it's high enough. So the only thing that is remaining is a floor, a bare floor and everything. Yeah, then that's it. Then it's done. Otherwise, I love the structure of the house. I love everything how it is. It's small but big inside. It may look small on the outside, but inside's got enough space. Yep. So this is the house, guys. You can see the difference from last time and now. Yeah. I'll just zoom from here. I won't reach that far, the maze, but next time I will. Yeah, so this is our maze. It's coming up very good, and soon we're gonna start gardening. Yeah, very soon we're gonna start gardening all over here where the maze was. We're gonna start, planting some vegetables and other crops and that for this season, yeah, because you need to look on the season that you're in, then that's when you get to plant. Yeah, you gotta look the season. Just don't plant crops whereby the season is bad for the crops, then you're gonna find a lot of loss. So yeah, just keep on watching, guys. As you're watching, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Help me reach that 1,000 subscribers, and let's add up to those watch hours, guys. I really need the watch hours to go up. Hello, guys. Just came to check up as promised, to show you how this place is gonna be. You can see how to started here. All this place, like I've been mentioning in the previous video, saying all this place has been cleared. It had maize before. Now you can see it's being cleared. We're gonna start the garden. Gonna start irrigation now. We got ourselves a big pump. I'll be pumping water on this side. There's a stream. Well, the stream never gets dry, yeah, throughout the year. So this is how they're clearing. The helpers, this is how they're clearing to make the beds. And we're gonna start planting onion for now. Yeah, so yeah, this is how far they've gone with clearing and cleaning, and now the house is left on a clear place surrounding. It looks clean. And the maize has grown as well. The maize has really grown. This is maize planted out of season. Yeah. Yeah, so as you're watching, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's work together, check how the farm is doing. Oh, this place is gonna be cleared because we have to start a garden. We need to start a garden very soon. Already the place has been cleared. And this place where the pawpaws are, you can see pawpaws and some cassava. The pawpaws will remain, but all these cassava things will be uprooted. When time comes, everything's gonna come out, and then I'm gonna start with the bananas. I think it's gonna be a banana plantation. Yeah, we even have this hand pump where people watch their waters. Now let's take a closer view of the maize. The maize really looks green and good. Got a cold again. Yeah, so this place has been cleared for a reason. There are gonna be bananas being planted here. You know, we've got so much space. We've got so much space whereby you can plant anything and do anything at this farm. It's really good. It feels good to own such land in Zambia. Look at the pawpaws. You can see those two there, they're ripe. Yeah, two pawpaws are ripe. A lot of pawpaws here. There are a lot of pawpaws at the mill. There's my cousin. She's not even scared to go in that bush. Let me try and follow her and see where she's going. I don't know what happened to this pawpaw. I think I really don't even know. It's not even about I think. I don't know what happened to it. So sad. So guys, just showing you around. This is also part of the farm. On my previous videos you can check. You see when I was showing you when the this stream, we have a stream here, it passes through the side. When it fills up, when it floods, yeah. Last time I showed you when the stream was flooded. That's all this area was really flooded. There's so much water. I think it was written somewhere there. Yeah. But the stream, where the stream ends is on when you see these green things. This whatever they call them. Yeah. These green weeds that you see. That's where the stream banks ends. Yeah. But when the heavy rains, that's when it floods and brings all this rubbish that you can see, all these papers, plastics, are brought by a flooded stream. Yeah. So I don't know about other countries, African countries, how it is, but this is this is what we face here in Zambia when you stay in aside the stream. Yeah, so when the stream gets flooded, people find the chance of throwing all the plastics and papers in the stream, and yeah, we are the ones suffering with the plastics and garbage. So now the reason why it has stayed this way again is because it has not been cleared properly in the past few years. So now because all this guys is land, yeah, everywhere starting from this side going this side, you can see all this is land whereby it's supposed to be cleared properly and everything will just look normal. So now I'm showing you a before, yeah. So I would really be happy to see this place cleared, and I'm gonna show you the after, guys. But right now I'm just showing you how the situation is here across the stream. Oh, this is our land, but it really has to be cleared for it to look properly, because all this is gonna be a banana plantation, like I said at the beginning. Yeah, all here, all this area, we're gonna plant bananas. But first, before we plant the bananas, we gotta work on this area. We have to work on this area, in this place. Let's look at the plastics, papers and rubbish. Just need to work together so that we can clear the place and clean the place so that we can look good. Otherwise we cannot plant anything in this how it is right now in this state, because up here there was so much weed whereby you had to tell the workers to start cleaning bit by bit and slashing, stamping out of the trees, some wild trees. Okay. So much has to be done. So much has to be done. Just look at this. All these are papers and bottles, plastics that were brought by flooded stream. Yeah, so guys, as you're watching, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah, so this is how the area looks like for now. Yeah, let's get moving to the other side of the farm. So this area is gonna be banana plantation. Yeah, I'm gonna show you this side as well. All this area is always flooded by the stream, but it's gonna be cleared as well, and we're gonna plant bananas. Yeah, so you can see that how this place looks like. There was a building here, so it was broken down, and soon they're gonna work on it. Sure, they're gonna build something better and stronger. Yeah, this is what the stream brings, guys. So yeah, we're gonna clear up this place, remove all this building that was broken down, and build another building, another proper building. Yeah. Looking forward to get this place cleaned so that we can just show you guys the after the place has been cleaned. Yeah. So you can see they started from this side cleaning until they're now going this side. So let's check how this side was cleaned. Just look at the plastics and papers. This stream gets flooded badly, yeah, that it comes with so much rubbish, and it leaves all the rubbish. Just the people just stay, especially us who are staying on the area this where the stream passes. So we are really affected by all the papers, plastics, yeah. So all this area I'll show you guys later when it's being cleaned. All this area we're gonna plant bananas. I just can't wait to see the place cleaned and start planting the bananas. To be exciting, yeah. So afternoon routine, you can see this big pot that we have in the afternoon. We're just making the African traditional drink. Yeah, so in Zambia we call it chiwantu. We're just using the yellow maize. Yeah, you can see how yellow it is in the pot. Yeah, sorry guys, I didn't show you at the start, but if you wanna know how to cook the chiwantu, you can watch my previous videos. Yeah, so we're using firewood to cook because we can't use anything else apart from firewood. So you can see these are the grits that we're gonna use to put in the boiling porridge. Yeah. So guys, as you watch, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. To my returning subscribers, I'm gonna say thank you for coming back to watch the videos of the channel. Yeah, so this is our African traditional drink. It's different from Munkoyo. This is called chiwantu. Yes. Yeah, so this is how we're going about it. And now we're gonna pour in the maize grains in the boiling porridge. I'm gonna use a bit of water to mix it. Just mixing it a bit before they pour it in. It's a very nice drink, guys, especially to those who know it. They can agree with me. Also have a big cooking stick for stirring. It's one of my favorite homemade drinks. This mealie meal and the maize grains that we're using, it's the maize that I showed you guys on the previous videos, the one that we had in our own field. We've just harvested. Like I said, farming is good, guys. You never go wrong with farming and you never go hungry. That's the best part of farming. So we're making our own drink from our own crops that we had planted and now harvested. And now see, we've been making a drink out of it. We do not buy mini meal because of having our own maize. We don't buy cooking oil for now. We have our own oil because we crush the sunflower.
Okay.
Mhm.
Nice straw. Nice straw.
Alright guys, we'll come and check on it later to see how it's boiling. Yeah, for now this is what is done when you're cooking beach wine.